concave mirror and convex mirror. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to draw a principal axis which is on the ruled line. See, I am drawing because you will face problem in drawing in plain paper. So you just draw a line on the plain ruled line. See, this is the principal axis. On this principal axis, on the right hand side, you just mark the center of curvature with a greater dot. Now what you have to do is you have to take a suitable measurement. Just suppose I am taking a suitable measurement of 5 centimeter. Okay, you just take 5 centimeter and just mark one more point on the left side of the very small point. Now on this point you keep your protector. Okay, 90-degree line should be on the principal axis. You keep your protector and draw the mirror. While drawing the mirror, you will make sure that there is 1, 2, 3 line here, then 1, 2, 3 line here also. Okay, means upside and lower side the line should be same. It will give you the pole in the middle of the page. Now I will draw the concave mirror first. This is the pole and here I am painting it as a concave mirror. Now as you know, we have taken 5 centimeter as the distance. So half of it is 2.5 centimeter, which is your focus. Okay. Now according to this, you have seen that here focal length is given. This is the way when you will draw when nothing is given. Okay. But here your focal length is given. So now how you will draw when focal length is given? When focal length is not given, you will draw this. When f is not given. Now you will draw this when f is given. See, what you have to draw is first you draw the principal axis. Okay? After drawing the principal axis, you will mark center of curvature. Now you know that f is equal to 2 centimeter. It is given. And r is equal to 2f. So here 2 into 2 is equal to 4 centimeter. So you have to find the radius of curvature as 4 centimeter. This is your center of curvature. So from here you will measure 4 centimeter on your left side. See, using your scale, you measure 4 centimeter on your left side. On this point, you will draw the mirror. I am using a protector. You can also use your compass. Make sure that the upper 3 lines and lower 3 lines will be same. Or you will say the curvature on this part should be equal to the curvature on this part. This is your pole. Mark it as concave mirror. And this is radius of curvature. Half of it is focus. This much you have to draw based on this question. Now the question is, distance of the object is 3 centimeter from the pole. So you will measure 3 centimeter from here and draw the height of the object. Now height of the object is not given. So what you will do, you will take minimum 1 centimeter as the default height. Okay. So using my scale, I have drawn a straight line of 1 centimeter and made an arrow. You can use this symbol also. You can use this symbol also. But try to use this symbol. Okay. Because this symbol will tell you whether the image is erect or inverted. Now what you have to do, you have to use your rules of ray diagram. Rule is PF, FP and CC. Any of these 3 rules can be used. Now first rule says that line passing parallel to the principal axis will pass through the focus. So from this point we will draw one line which is parallel to the principal axis and hitting the mirror. Now as it is parallel to the principal axis, it will reflect through the focus. It has reflected through the focus. You have seen? This is the reflected ray. Now any of the two rules you can use, any one of the remaining two rules. Now if I will use the center of curvature rule, the line will go out of the mirror. So I will use the second rule here. Line passing through the focus will reflect parallel to the principal axis. This is the line which is passing through the focus is reflecting parallel to the principal axis. You have seen that the point from where I have taken two rays is meeting at this point. So the image of this arrow will be made this side. Now when the rays of this ray is going and touching the mirror, it will reflect in the same direction. So the image of this tip is made here. Okay. So we will make an inverted image like this. Now you can see from the image, this is the object and this is the image. From the ray diagram only, we are writing the characteristics of the image formed. Now first characteristics is, what is the type of image? Now you have seen that the reflected ray, this is reflected ray 1, this is reflected ray 2. And these two reflected ray are the actual reflected ray. So when the image is formed by the actual reflected ray, it is a real image. Now second, it is the object is vertically upward and the image is vertically downward. They are opposite in direction. So the image is inverted image. Now third is, where is the position of the image. Here you can see that the image is formed beyond C. There is no other fixed point beyond C. So just it is written formed beyond C. C means center of curvature. Now the type of image means whether the image is bigger than the object or the image is smaller than the object. So you can easily see by the diagram only, you can see that the image formed is greater than the object. So here we will write image is magnified. So nothing you have to do, only by seeing the ray diagram you will conclude these four characteristics of the image formed. Okay. Now we are going to see how the same question will be formed by convex mirror.